Oh,
Unsuan.
what are the words you will leave to Mindanao?
I think
Mindanao.
kalinaw.
Kalinaw.
Kayang kalinaw kana ang words o kana ang gift ng Ginoo para sa atoan. Bago siya ay kapag abot niya dinhi. I mean after nang ihang ano sa man? Pagkabanhaw, no. Nag-visit siya sa iyang mga alagad. Ang hihatag niya first is kalinaw. So kalinaw, I think we really need kalinaw sa atuang kinabuhi.
So, muuli ka sa Luzon, malinawan ni mo kasing-kasing?
Tinuod yun. Malinaw ako kasing-kasing na
Pero ang imong mga gibiyaan dere, malinawan ka sila o ngingaw?
I think malinawan man sila kay ako mag-ingon sa ila for sure. They are a gift that sent by God to make me feel kalinaw sa ako ang
Pero paminaw biya sila ron mo. Oh, kay gasunod na sila. Mga labi na sa mga batanon, what's your words for the young people?
Kalinaw
Especially in
man
Youngsville.
Kalinaw is really important para sa ato ang kinabuhi. So whatever situation or something that you have in your life, it is really important to look for kalinaw.
Pero you experience also disturbance.
Yes.
And then how did you experience peace o kalinaw?
Disturbance is really necessary, but of course, it's not always disturbance, no. Because I mean, it's not always it. It's just only a matter of moment, a matter of time. It's not always disturbance, but at the end of the day, you will feel kalinaw pa din.
So, it's coming from experience,
Yes.
not just from here.
Not that it's from experience.
So, what particular experience? The first experience of kalinaw?
I think one is like when we visited the when we visit
Marawi?
the Marawi. Because for me, I thought that in Marawi it's really not
Okay na.
so good.
Oh, yes.
Now, when you heard Marawi,
Yes.
the word Marawi, oh my goodness, you really mahadlok ka talaga, mahadlok ka. Pero pag nung nako dito, I feel really, of course, when I reach Marawi, I feel dili kalinaw,
Yes,
walay
yes.
peace.
Yes.
Pero nung pauli na ta,
You
then
feel-
madungog na ko ka ng mga stories, then, I mean, I feel na, okay, maayo na pala din sa Marawi. Maayo na sa Marawi. There's always peace. Because if you couldn't find peace, no, it means that God is not there.
For kalina, for peace, what do you like? What will you do? Do you have anything in mind in
Na-
particular you can do? You will do? You hope to do for peace, for Christ's peace?
I think I know I couldn't because it's really impromptu.
Yeah, it's
So,
okay. Because because now how so many trouble wars
Yeah,
in the
that's
world.
true.
What can we do to contribute for peace? Anything. But is there any specific thing you want to do?
I
It
think
can be to do with
Yeah.
yourself, to do something with yourself for peace or whatever, no? Specific.
I think the thing that I can maybe, for me, for myself, is to pray.
Pray, yes.
To pray for peace. Because I think it's really necessary.
That's very good actually because actually it's God is the one. God is the main actor. And God He sends or provides whatever, no? So if we want peace, pray to the one who can give.
You can give peace.
Thank you, Nico. Kalina.
Kalina,
Salamat.
kalina.